tutorial, we are discussing about the new keyword. So what is new keyword? The Java new keyword is used to create an instance of the class. In other words, it instantiates a class by allocating memory for a new object and returning a reference to that memory. We can also use the new keyword to create the array object. And its syntax is new example, that is class name object name is equals to new and then class name new example. Here are some points to remember. It is used to create the object. It allocates the memory at runtime. All objects occupy memory in the heap area. It invokes the object constructor. It requires a single postfix argument to call the constructor. Let's see an example how to use the new keyword. Example of new keyword. First of all, we can create a class, public class new example1, and inside the class we create an method, that is void display, and inside the method I just write print system.out.println invoking method. Now with the help of new keyword, we all know that new keyword is used to create an object of the class. So here is the class new example1, an object which is a reference object, and with the help of new we can create the class object new example1 and then obj.display, which is used to display the access the display method. Just save it. Let's execute it. Zavak new example 1.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java new example. Java new example 1. Hence it will return invoking method because s.display, in s.display it prints the invoking method. We all know that new is also used in creation of constructor. So let's do it. First of all, we make a constructor, that is public new example 1, and here I write system.out.println, and inside the println I simply write constructor and then semicolon and then end the curly braces, Ctrl S. So here the new example 1 can create the constructor also. Let's execute it. CLS for clear screen. Zavak new example 1.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Java new example 1. See, first of all it will print constructor and then invoking method, because new keyword is also used to initialize the constructor, or we can say that it is also used to create the or invoke the constructor. So in this way, new keyword is used for creation of object as well as invoking of constructor. Thank you.